First of all, take any printed sheet and fold it in half. Now print out your favorite cartoon character, or you can also draw it if you want, and make sure that it is smaller than the size of your card. Now paste your printout on a colored sheet. Now cut it out by leaving some space so that we can fold its edges later. As you can see, I have left more space on the top and the bottom sides as compared to the left and right ones, as my printout already has some space, and we will fold it a little like this. Now you will need a thick transparent sheet. Cut this sheet according to the size of your card. Now paste all the three sides by using an all fix. Here I am not using Fevicol, as the transparent sheet might not get stick to the paper. It will look like a pocket. Now take a permanent marker and outline all of your characters. Now take a drawing sheet and cut it a bit smaller than the size of your card. Leave more space on the right side as compared to the left side so that we can hold it. Draw a curvy pattern here. Then cut it and insert it into the card. Paste the red sheet on the white area. Now paste the magic card on your printed colored sheet. Paste a small arrow here. And now our card is complete.